I'm Nancy Farrandod.
And I'm Sean Corbett, and we're Team Tackney.
Today we're at 6812 Almondine Drive in the Garden Green Complex in West Garden Grove.
This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, highly sought after Atrium model. So come on in, let's take a look.
As you enter the home, you're greeted by this romantic central fireplace.
The vaulted ceilings and the open concept leading into the atrium really highlight the 1,448 square foot from this home. Here in the spacious kitchen with the vaulted ceilings continued, you have a nice large peninsula countertop with plenty of cabinetry throughout. Here in the primary bedroom with the elevated ceilings, you have a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath.
Amenities and garden greens include walking paths, greenbelts, and rolling grassy hills.
Also lots of guest parking and the beautiful pool and spa behind us. Thanks for taking this tour of 6812 Almondine Drive with us today. If you'd like your own private tour, please give us a call.